guys, welcome back. We were so tired of treasure hunting that we decided to come home and show you how to make. What are we making today?
Cookies!
Oh wow!
Giant turtle cookies!
You want a giant turtle cookie?
Yeah.
Okay, let's show everybody the ingredients.
Butter?
We need 200 grams of butter, 175 grams of brown sugar. It has to be raw, zucchero di canna grezzo. And we have 165 grams of white sugar. How do you say sugar in Italian?
Zucchero!
And white?
Bianco!
Yes, it's white sugar.
And
Zucchero bianco. Marrone, bravissimi. Then we need a little bit of vanilla. So we have the vanilla here, which is vaniglia in Italian.
Vanilla is my favorite.
It is. Do you like vanilla and vanilla? Then we need one egg. One egg, show the egg. And how do you say one egg in Italian?
Uno
Un uovo. Then we need 300 grams of oats. In Italian is avena tritata. And then we need 10 grams of baking soda, which is in Italian bicarbonato. And then we need 10 grams of salt and 300 grams of chocolate. How do you say salt in Italian?
Where's the salt?
What is the salt? We forgot the salt. I'm gonna get it, but how do you say salt in Italian?
Salad.
And what about chocolate? Cioccolato, and then we have the chocolate to put at the end, right? Open up the butter and put 2 sticks of butter each in your bowl. Yeah, whiskey, guarda così. I forgot in our ingredients that we need 40 grams of milk.
Milk.
Come on, put the milk in. What are you guys doing? 40, 58, 40. Now just whisk it more and more and more. Now in there we have to put a little bit of vanilla.
How much vanilla?
Just a drop. A little more. Okay, now let's put sugar. Put the brown sugar. Okay, now 165 of white sugar. 165. Okay. 165. No, 165. Away from the right dose. Okay. Now whisk it. Robert, 165. Put it in and whisk it. Let's see who is going to make the best cookies today.
Oh.
We need 10 grams of baking soda and then 10 grams of salt. And then we need oats.
What?
So let's repeat the ingredients, guys, because I think that we got a little people confused. So it's then we need 165 grams of white sugar, 200 grams of butter, 175 grams of sugar, brown sugar. Then we put a little bit of vanilla, 40 grams of milk, 1 egg, 300 grams of oats. Then 10 grams of baking soda, 10 grams of salt, and 300 grams of chocolate. Okay, so you can do one side is Jacob and the other side is Robert. So scoop them all in, please, one after the other. Let's scoop it. What are we gonna do here? No, you have to leave space for Robert.
Yummy oats.
Put a full scoop. I think this is good. Guys, you wanna put it in? Let's put it in the oven. And then we have to wait 20 minutes. So let's see. And in 20 minutes, guys, we are going to see our cookies are going to turn out. Let's go see how it's going to look. It smells very good, right? Profumo buonissimo. Whoa, what happened? I don't know. Let's wait another 5 minutes, guys. Let's see if we can eat them. It is ready. I think that it has to cool off because it's what I think happened here. Hey, you two chefs.
Look what happened.
What happened is that we put so much chocolate. Now we take out our quote-unquote cookies. They don't really look like cookies, guys, but oh wow, guys, the cookies. Do they look like cookies?
No.
Are they gonna taste like cookies?
Yes.
Let's hope. Which one are Robert? Which one are Jacob?
It's a cookie. Cookie yummy? Yeah.
This is super yummy. So yummy. So good. This is yummy.